Is how to sign a documents on iPhone. You can easily sign a documents on your iPhone. Here are the process. First, go to your photo section and move this photo to file app. Tap on share and save to files. To sign a documents, the documents should be in file app. So save it first to your documents in file app. Now file app, open your document which you want to put signature. Here tap on a small pen icon in middle of your top bottom and choose a color of your pen which you sign and click on plus icon, and here tap on add signature and choose again a plus sign, just and new signature and choose a signature type: full name, given name, family name, nickname, initials, custom label. I will choose initials and tap your finger and assign a signature here and tap on done and finally tap on done again. Thereafter open your documents and again go to pen icon and tap add signature and all your signature will appear here. Tap on it and select it and move it where you want to put signature. Move it and finally click on done. Your signature will successfully put on your documents. You can add or remove signature from where. Simply select it and choose delete to remove your signature.